Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a biography writing. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is one of the greatest Argentine football players in the history of sport. He is best known for his record-breaking achievement and inspiring journey and humble character. Messi was born on June 24, 1987 in Rosario, Argentina, into a working-class family. Lionel Messi's parents are George Horacio Messi and Celia Marina. His father, George, worked in a steel factory and his mother, Celia, worked in a magnet manufacturing workshop. He began playing football at a local club coached by his father and soon joined Newell's Old Boys at the age of 8. At the age of 13, Messi moved to Spain to join Barcelona's youth academy. He made his senior debut at 17 and quickly became an integral part of FC Barcelona, winning a record 34 trophies with the club, including 10 La Liga titles and 4 Champions Leagues. Messi led Argentina to victory in the Copa America and won the FIFA World Cup in 2022. He also won Olympic gold in 2008 and has broken all-time scoring records for both club and country. Messi is married to Antonella and has 3 children. He is admired for his charity work through the Leo Messi Foundation. In 2023, Messi joined Inter Miami in Major League Soccer. Across his career, he is celebrated for his extraordinary talent, dedication, and positive impact on and off the pitch. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.